Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Excel's what if analysis for beginners. Now, this is a beginner's what if. I say that because we've already seen this scenario. I played this out in front of you before. This is actually a what if situation. What if, what if, what if? What if the purchase price changes? What if the down payment changes? What if the terms change? And what if the interest rates change? What if the loan amount now is $625,000? Notice we have a payment right here of $41.14. Let's go six. It changes to $43.21. Let's say you put 10% down. Then it goes to $48.61. What if you put 40% down? $32. What if you have a 30-year loan? And so on and so forth. These are all what if. And this is an introduction. The what if can be mind-blowing. You can build some rather sophisticated models. Clearly, we're going to learn to crawl, and then we're going to walk, and then later down the road, you can step up to the marathon or what have you. You get the metaphor, but this is a what if. Now, here's the key concerns. Remember, I kept pressing, stay away from hard coding information. Here's the formula text. Here's just the formula. Now we have D7 here, right? Well, that's the purchase price. If you put D7 in this formula, hard code it. If you put 625 or 625,000 here, if you need to make that change, you're gonna have to go in this formula and change it. Same thing here with the payment. You're gonna see we're referencing the information up here. You always want to hard code above the formulas. And then we want to reference the hard coded information. Stick to that practice and trust me, you'll become an expert in no time at all. If you get lazy and start inputting incorrectly, not only will it bite you in the rear down the road, but your colleagues are going to be screaming at you also. Now, in terms of what if, there's a lot of possibilities within this what if, and some of them are, this is pretty much manual. This is a manual what if, but we can also use data tables and scenario manager and a whole host of other tools within Excel. I badmouth Microsoft a lot in this Excel layered generational legacy stuff, but a couple things that work pretty good. The what if situation works well, GoalSeek works well, and the data table models work really well. In terms of where are we going with this, we're just going to stick to data tables. We're going to go up here to this what if scenario, and we're going to look at scenario manager and data tables. The next session we'll get into GoalSeek, but here's just a simple what if scenario. We're going to step into a little more complicated situation where we're going to take all this data and we're going to use a data table to spit out everything I just explained, but it's going to be viewable. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.